Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush, vibrant forest, there stood an imposing tower, home to a young girl named Rapunzel. With her golden hair cascading down like a waterfall, Rapunzel spent her days dreaming of the world beyond her secluded existence. Her only companion was Mother Gothel, who claimed to keep her safe from the dangers lurking outside. But Rapunzel's longing for freedom grew stronger with each passing day. One crisp morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of pink and orange, a chance encounter would change everything. A young adventurer named Finn, curious and spirited, stumbled upon the tower while exploring the forest. Captivated by the mysterious structure, he approached cautiously. Hearing Rapunzel singing, he was drawn closer until he stood beneath her window. "Who goes there?" Rapunzel called, her voice a mixture of surprise and excitement. Finn introduced himself, and the two quickly struck up a conversation, their laughter echoing through the trees. Over the following days, Finn visited frequently, and their friendship blossomed. Unbeknownst to Rapunzel, Mother Gothel grew suspicious of her blooming happiness. However, trusting her own cunning, she devised a plan to stop any interference from Finn. But Finn, clever and determined, had his own plan. One moonlit night, he whispered to Rapunzel a daring escape plan. "Let down your hair," he said, and she did, her golden locks reaching the ground. With a mixture of fear and exhilaration, she climbed down, supported by Finn. Together, they embarked on a journey through the forest, Rapunzel's eyes wide with wonder at the world she had only imagined. As they ventured on, Rapunzel discovered her bravery and strength, assisting Finn when they faced challenges. From narrow escapes from wild animals to navigating through dense thickets, each obstacle only strengthened their bond. Yet, their greatest test awaited them when Mother Gothel discovered their flight. She pursued them, determined to bring Rapunzel back. But Rapunzel, now empowered, confronted her fear. In a climactic encounter, she stood tall, her voice strong, and declared her newfound freedom. Mother Gothel, realizing Rapunzel's resolve, retreated, leaving her to embrace her destiny. With the dawn of a new day, Rapunzel stepped into her new life, hand in hand with Finn, her heart full of hope and excitement for the adventures yet to come. Her journey had only just begun, and the world was hers to explore.